Alright, so I had to skip the dialogue because I had to stop recording. Because my dog wanted to leave. And now I'm here. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do now. What am I supposed to do? I guess I gotta go. I already know how to run. Smoke shit.
Clock's ticking.
Alright, I guess I'll go over here. The thing is, when I was downloading on Steam, I saw that like there's other chapters and it costs $7 for each one. For the whole thing it's $20, so I might be able to buy the second one.
Little hotel.
Probably might do that tomorrow.
Bring back any memories?
Welcome breakfast and murder, free on every day until 10. Bro, what? My friend is planning to take 2 miles. Like this. Oh shoot! Alright. Let's get the mess out of me. Ew. Ooh, wait, what the frick is that? Oh shoot! So where am I supposed to go? I guess I had to wait to just go for me. Okay. Just walk around this place. Ugh. Alright, the elevator is ready.
Going up.
Oh, I thought okay. What are these symbols mean? Okay. Why is it light flickering?
Now listen.
What's this?
See those floating bits of crystal? Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
Oh, the spirits of humans.
Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Yes,
One more
piece.
thing. You're not alone. There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you. Here, you'll need this.
200.
It can detect each shard's location.
I'm kind of recording this
It
on
was
6. I
left
might be
by the
coughing a
last
lot.
guest to disappoint
So,
me here.
289 people died here.
Clever girl.
Jeez.
Just not a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
What the frick was that? I'm mega tripping out. Let's go over here. Evans was here. What does that mean? Oh! There's footsteps over there. Nope. This one with that. This one with that. I'm about to get cornered. Oh! Leave. Get your ankle broke. Never mind. I lied. And I died.
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
You can make a 180 turn by pressing the mouse button. Not really helpful. Alright. To be honest, the jump shit not even that scary. Okay. That's that monkey scary. Oh, how many are on me? Alright. Shoot straight. Oh, shoot!
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder.
No, I said it wasn't scared, but jeez, they come out of nowhere. I heard some knocking on this door. Was it? Yeah, I don't want to say that. Review. But like, god dang, I could collect so much. That's dumb. We started all. She gave us. What's this? I don't want to open it. Oh. It's called bears. Oh, how fast these monkeys? I guess I can get this over again. I think it's like a secret or something. Cut this corner. To the left. Oh shoot, I was looking at the thing. So, I was pressing space bar to get rid of that, and then... It's kind of terrifying. I'm not even doing this crap in real life. Oh, nope, never mind. I was trying to read it. I was trying. Ooh, ankle, get out of here, kid. Wait. Yep, you're there. Oh, there's another one. Nope, I'm dead. Yes, I'm dead. God dang it. Did that thing restart? Oh, I can do it from last checkpoint. Obtaining an S rank is not possible with the last checkpoint. I don't care. I don't need an S rank. Alright, let's go again. There's also the two little circles on the little tablet thing. I don't know what this is supposed to be for. Oh. Don't tell me there's a monkey over here.
I would have thought you'd have been shredded by
Okay. Feels good. I just had to get that. Oh! Oh, my heart dropped. Let's get to this thing.
murder monkeys.
Jesus Christ. Want to eat? 120 still is not even close to being done. Well, at least I got half. Alright. Left. I mean, I can just gather all of these. You know what? I'm gonna try using that little 180 turn thing. If I ever need it. That screwed me over. I tried so hard to use it. I wanted to try to see how it would work and it didn't work. That was horrible. Like, this is stupid. Alright, let's go. Bro, there's so much over here that I didn't get. Jeez. Where from? Okay. Well, I hear another one, I think. Oh! There's another one up here. Ah.
You are dead.
Again. Okay, you know what? I'm trying. I ain't dying this time. Should we just go up here and get all these over here? These monkeys, bro. Oh, why didn't I see it? Why didn't? And there's a monkey in there that scared the mess out of me. The monkey just peeked his head through the window. I mean, through the freaking door. What am I talking about? Oh, yeah, those monkeys kill you if they're. Had to get it. I'm about to get cornered. Yep. Oh, just kill me.
Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing.
Talk so much, but can she do this? Hey. Yeah, I'm just getting these up here. I'm banging on the door, I'm not gonna answer when I freaking try to open. I'm just get these two over here so I don't have to worry about them. Wow, time. Like, god dang, come on, man, give me some time. Alright, kitchen level. Okay, this is where I missed some. That's the lie, actually. That. I better not get cornered here. I called it.
Death by monkey.
I should have 180 turned down.
How embarrassing.
Why is it so difficult? It's only the first level. What the world? I can't tell what it was. I'm deaf. Don't be up here. Big turn. Oh. Get out of here. Bro. Come on. Please. I don't want to die. Please. Alright, I'm at the beginning, so. Is that indicator to tell me what shards are? Yeah, it is. I think it's all over. Ooh, come on. I better not get cornered. Up this. No!
You are dead.
The fourth or third, I don't know. I don't know what you think it is. I'm not even keeping up. Why am I so bad at this? On the first level, I shouldn't be struggling this hard. Why the heck did these maybe stop running for a second? Okay, try to get the last two. Should be. Nope. He's on the left. Oh my god, how many are there? Please, Lord. Please! Oh, shoot. Oh, I got it. I got it. Come on, this is the last. Nope. And I ran right into him.
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
Bro, there's not the last thing. Where's the other one at? Oh my god. Wait. Man. All the way back over there. You're in there, you're there. These two over here. Where's the last one? Run, what are you doing? Oh, I thought I was dead. That monkey. Bro, where's this last one at? Oh. Yes, this is the last one.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The piece is now exposed. And the monsters will go into it.
Oh!
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
Oh my god. That scared me.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed. And the monsters
Why did I start over here? I don't know why I didn't take that turn. What am I doing? Oh, what am I doing? I'm retarded. Cut corners, kid. Get out of here, please. Please. I'm outrunning a monkey. He's just right there. Get it. Open. Please, open. Please. Open up, what are you doing? Please. Oh. You know what? Hey, when I get back to the portal. What's the portal at? Why is it dark? Scared me. Full sprint, I'm out. I'm out. Oh! Look at them.
No escape for you.
I gotta ring that bell. I gotta ring the bell. I ring the bell, let's go. Oh my, horrible. That's deep. I don't Never mind. Can't even skip it. Level 2. Okay. I'm on level 3.
Good. You made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
Who's your friend? Your friend's an eyeball.
Beers. Still so persistent after all this time. Do not listen to her, mortal.
God,
She's
listen
just
to her eyeball.
using you. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences.
But it said I can have a wish.
This
in the
is
Bible.
your only warning. Help her, and you will suffer.
Wow.
Pay no attention
Like I didn't
to
suffer
him.
from that.
His powers cannot reach you here. The ring piece. Place it on the table, now!
Okay.
It's been so long. The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven. An
Riddle of
ironic
Heaven.
name, don't you think? A demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met. Malak. Complete the
Malak
ring,
created
and
that
you can use
nightmare.
Malak's power to fulfill your darkest desires. Or so the legend goes.
We sit down, who? That's there. Oh. Hey, I beat it.
8 more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
7 more left. Oh my lord. Wait. Is you over here?
I see you. I'm going to enjoy watching
I
you
wish I could punch
suffer.
the mess out of his eye. Just... right. It's nasty. End of the chapter. See if we continue in chapter 2. This looks horrifying. Well, I guess that'll be it. I'll try to get frick, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I think I'll try to get it. Chapter 2. I'll try to get chapter 2. And thank you for watching in this Dark Deception, a new series, and bye.